In order to be valuable, a person must possess tangible and intangible valuables. They must have values and resources. They can or they can impact other people's lives. Like you influence people to be better version of themselves.